Kev G with a weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? I think the big change in the overall forecast, in my view, for this week is the cooler than normal temperatures, and they are going to prevail for the most part as we go along. I think Wednesday, Thursday are two of the warmest days of the week, but temperatures only near normal for those 2 days, as we'll see in the extended. And then basically, other than that, it's at or below normal temperatures, especially now through Tuesday, as we have a northeasterly wind that is set up across the area, and that northerly and northeasterly component of the wind is not allowing any heat to come in. In fact, we are running some well below normal at this hour, and tonight temperatures could bottom out in the mid-50s across the outlying areas. So that is really impressive for this time of year, and that's due to the fact that the overall pattern is setting up with the jet stream unusually far to the south, promoting these cooler temperatures, and I think that's the big change in the forecast for this week. So that was Intellicast.com. We have a few coastal flood advisories that are in effect. I wanted to show you this off of NOAA. So like them on Facebook and Twitter. And this is really just for the most vulnerable spots on the coast. So I wouldn't worry about it unless you're in an area that typically floods with even the slightest overwash. So it's a foot to foot and a half above normal with the high tide tonight. We go to tropical tidbits for the day-to-day. We're going to have an area of low pressure that develops tonight, but it's going to miss the area to the south. Long Island could get in on some light rain and drizzle overnight into the early hours of the morning tomorrow. But the main story for tomorrow is that it's partly to mostly cloudy, and temperatures only get up to around 70 degrees, which is some 5 to 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. So really impressive. We get that high pressure directly overhead for Wednesday and some of Thursday. Wednesday looks like a delightful day with temperatures near 80, and at night, I think with that high pressure directly overhead, you get some decent radiational cooling. So, if you can open the windows this week, especially for the first part of the week, go to it and allow that fresh air to come right in. And then by Thursday night into Friday, a more important weather front moves in with our next chance at widespread rain. So that'll be moving in sometime Thursday night. I think probably after 9 to 10 o'clock for Thursday night, and then lasting through a good portion of the overnight into the early morning hours on Friday. And then we get rid of that front and we set ourselves up for a nice weekend. The only fly in the ointment with the weekend could be that area over the area of low pressure over the Carolinas on Sunday morning. That may try to make its way a little bit further north and deliver some rain, but I'm not banking on that right now. I think the weekend's pretty decent with temperatures in the 80s. So here we go with Weather Underground. Look at these temperatures. I mean, it just do no better than 70 tomorrow. That's basically what we did today. Nice for Wednesday. Thursday, it starts to get humid, and we have the rain chances late. And then we clear it out for a good part of Friday into the weekend, and I don't think we have really any trouble to speak of over the weekend as far as the rain chances are concerned. And then gradually the temps start coming up as we go into next week.